It's not moving. Get me hold it.
Let me find it again.
Almost looks like it's two.
Is that a drone?
That ain't no good.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Looks like a.
Huh? Just
You know the house that is here in our neighborhood that has the flag? That's the crest of the hill that we have been driving, that we turned around and drove down. Now I'm taking a left, heading toward our house. Incredible, but as you can see the scale of where we're at, this thing, we've been watching that for 10 minutes, and it seems like it almost followed us home, and then we get here and it's just like hovering. So I'm kind of shocked. I don't know what it is. I hope it's a drone of just someone playing with a toy, but very strong toy, and if it is, but anyways.